Hey guys, this is Lee from Fixing Things For You. Just come across a iPhone 6 with a backlight issue, customer brought in. They decided that they would change their own screen, and unfortunately, where the backlight pins connect to the LCD on the back of the screen, it's touched shorted, and now we have a backlight problem. So with the iPhone, the phone shows no backlight, but I can see a faint Apple logo. So we're going to fix that by changing what needs to be changed. Let's have a look at that now. So I've got the motherboard. I've got it disassembled already. So let's put it under the microscope and have a look and see what we reckon it is. So let's have a look here. That's good. So let's have a look here. So, yes, I think he has had a go at fixing this himself. By the look of it, or at least attempting to see what it is. He did say that it was a backlight issue, so maybe he's had a little go here. So let's check. Okay, so let's have a look at this now. So if we can see if we've got anything. No, so the filter's gone. So yeah, definitely a filter problem. So let's take that off and fix this problem. Fix this filter. So yeah, blown filters usually the cause of is usually the cause of no backlight, but it can be lots of things. It can be a diode, a backlight diode. Or it can be backlight IC, and it can also be the coil as well. You know, the coil can't really, if it's the coil, it's pretty much just going to have a dim backlight, or the backlight's not going to be as bright. So let's take this off now. So we're just going to take the rubber off to start with. So we're just going to flick away the rubber. Pull that out the way like that. And then we're just going to add a little bit of flux. And then we'll put it back up to about 350 C. Every rework station is different. I use about 350. Just come in here, and we'll just pop him off. Like that. And we'll get our soldering iron on. And because they're a bit dry, we'll just get them a bit cleaner with the soldering iron. One soldering iron, get up the temperature. There we go, that's enough. And we just want to touch these pads up just a little bit. That's it. Perfecto. And now we'll just get our filter. Our filters, kind of a little bit of a baggie. What have we got here? So FL2024 filter. Now they're so small, they decide that they're going to fly out usually. There it is. If you can see that on there. There it is. So we're just going to grab our little filter and pop him down. Add a little bit more flux. That's probably a bit too much flux. Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. That'll do. A little bit of flux there. And that'll do. And now let's just solder it into place. And that'll find its way nicely. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Didn't have to do anything. And that's done. Now we'll just get our alcohol and some alcohol and a cotton swab. Give it a bit of a clean up here. And now check our part with the check our filter with the multimeter. Beautiful, that's the way it should be. Perfect. So now we'll pop that into our, motherboard into our case, our housing, and then we'll just check. Check to see if we've got our backlight back. Let's try another, let's have a look here, see what we got. Let's try another screen. This screen might be faulty. Let's try another screen. There we go. Our backlight's completely working again. So I'd say that screen has shorted and actually killed itself or killed its own backlight. And we'll just see this come back up. Make sure we get our full backlight. Sometimes it's not just the filter, sometimes it's you know, the diode, like I said. Okay, so this one's saying phone is disabled, so because it's had too many shots, so there we go, it's our full backlight. Can't really see that, but yeah, there you go, full backlight. So yeah, that's how to fix the backlight on an iPhone 6. Like I say, you know, if it's not the filter, it's probably going to be the diode or the backlight IC, and that should get you back up and running again. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.